Good day, guys! I'm Yeb Lucica, and we're going to identify the types and features of prose. So let's see and listen carefully. What is a prose? Prose is a form of language that has no formal metrical structure. It applies natural flow of speech and ordinary grammatical structure rather than rhythmic structure, such as in the case of traditional poetry. Normal everyday speech is spoken in prose, and most people think and write in prose form. There are four types of prose. Did you know what are those? Well, I will tell you what are those. The first one is the fictional prose.
Fictional prose, a literary work that is wholly or partly imagined or theoretical. Examples are novels.
An invented prose narrative that is usually long and complex and deals especially with human experience through a usually connected sequence of events. Example, Harry Potter and Twilight. And the second is the non-fictional prose.
Non-fictional prose, a literary work that is mainly based on fact, though it may contain fictional elements in certain cases. Examples include biographies and essays.
Biography deals with the life of a person which may about himself, his autobiography, or that of others. Essay. This expresses a viewpoint or opinion of the writer about a particular problem or event. The best example of this is the editorial page of a newspaper. Example, the story of Cayetano S. Arellano.
The third is the heroic prose.
Heroic prose, a literary work that may be written down or recited, and which employs many of the formulaic expressions found in oral tradition. Examples are legends and tales. Legends. These are fictitious narratives, usually about origins. It provides historical information regarding the culture and views of particular group of people or country. Folktales, a traditional narrative, usually anonymous and handed down orally. Example, Ibalong legend from Bicol.
The last but not the least, the fourth prose, the poetry prose.
Prose poetry, a literary work that exhibits poetic quality, using emotional effects and heightened. Poetry, open form and closed form, relies on imagery, figurative language, and sound.
Prose poetry is written like poetry, in paragraphs rather than verse, but contains the characteristics of poetry, such as poetic meter, language play, and a focus on image rather than narrative, plot, and character.